Good morning from the Grand Canyon. We are at the South Rim today, and today we're going to be hiking the Bright Angel Trail. For a full hike review of the Bright Angel Trail, go ahead and check the link below. So this trail goes about 12 miles or 16 miles, I can't remember off the top of my head, basically all the way down to the canyon. We're going to be hiking hopefully 6 of it today, so we'll see how my legs hold up. I'm 2 days post Ironman at this point, so we'll see how much juice they got in them, but hoping to make it down to the 3-mile resting point. Alright, so giving you a closer look here. So we are here, and there's a couple of different stopping points. So there's the 1.5 mile resting point, so that's 3 miles round trip. Then you got the 3-mile resting point, and then you got the Indian Garden. You can keep going, but this is what they recommend at most for a day trip. Obviously, if you're an intense hiker, you could probably go farther, but that's kind of what you're looking at there. If you are going farther than Indian Garden, you need a backcountry permit to do that as well. So, all right, this is the trail start. Let's get after it. Couple of quick notes about this hike. So today we just have some micro spikes here. If you're coming during the winter months, that's basically all you'll need, unless there's like a big snowstorm, and then you probably don't want to hike it with multiple inches of snow. This is a super well traveled trail, so most likely you'll not be breaking trail. This is not a dog-friendly trail, but the South Rim Trail is, and that's a really good one to take your dog on. So far, Grand Canyon's been one of the better national parks to bring your dog in terms of where you can actually bring them. You can bring them on the South Rim, which is about, I think, 13 miles total, so plenty of hiking there. Just reached the 1.5 mile marker house. I'm just gonna climb up here and show you around. It's the view you're looking at. This is a good spot to take a little rest or turn around. We're gonna keep going and hopefully make it to the next resting point at 3 miles. Once you're at the 1.5 mile marker, bathrooms right there. I was hoping we were going to be able to get to this point today. That's funny because that's 12.2 miles and my legs do not have that in me today. I think the Indian camp, or Indian Garden, excuse me, is right around there somewhere. You can see like there's buildings down in there, but yeah, just crazy beautiful here. So we just kept hiking a little bit past the 1.5 mile marker. You got a really cool little overlook, so I'd highly recommend continuing down here if you can. Bit of exposure. The name of this game is, this trail I should say, is Switchbacks. So if you're not familiar with what a switchback is, it's literally switching back. So yeah, get prepared to do that, but really pretty. We came up from kind of like up in there and making some progress so far. First views of the 3 mile stopper. viewpoint, whatever you want to call it. So the Indian Garden is right around here somewhere, and then that's Plateau Point, which I would love to get to one day. Just about at the 3-mile stopping point. Give you some views inside here. Check you right up there. The point is right there. So this one does have restrooms, but no running water. And you can tell we're getting a bit lower in elevation because we got some cactuses going on. The restrooms at these stopping points are seasonal, so be sure to check, make sure they're open if you think you're gonna have to go. So there's another little vantage point here past the bathrooms at the 3-mile station. Look at that exposure, pretty good. And then yeah, a little point, if you can be careful, maybe I'll take some pictures here. Overcast day, but still so pretty down here. Okay, so down here and just enjoying some views at the 3-mile marker. Pretty good views behind us here. Jackie, what do you think the best views are? The 1.5 stop or the 3-mile stop?
3-mile stop.
Yeah. So here you think the views are better?
Yeah, I feel like you feel like you're actually in the canyon. You kind of have 360 views.
Yeah. I would agree. I think, in my opinion, the views like farther off were better up high, but you definitely feel like more in the canyon here. And just listen right now. Nothing. It's so quiet. So it's pretty cool when you're comparing it to up on the South Rim Trail where it's a clusterfuck. It's really nice down here to actually be in nature for a bit. So we're just going to take a little bit of a rest here and yeah, then start our hike back up. So down here took us about 1 hour and 25 minutes, and I'll keep you posted on the climb out, let you know how far that is. It's about 2,000 feet of elevation gain to get back to the rim. And yeah, I got a little cold, as you can probably hear, and my legs are getting a little tired too. That Ironman's finally starting to settle in a bit, but beautiful day, a little cloudy. The other note is that there are donkeys on this in the summer, and during the summer this will be super busy, so definitely get an early start then too, and it'll be way hotter, so bring lots of water. Jackie wants this on the record that she's first time ever leading a hike.
Probably last time.
Thought the donkeys were seasonal, but apparently they're still running this year. Typically they only go till the end of October. So it's just shy of 10 o'clock in the morning, and the Bright Angel Trail is getting significantly more busy, so definitely get an early start on this one if you want the seclusion. Basically back at the top of the blue light trail here. Took us just about 3 hours round trip, and it doesn't include some stops, so maybe closer to 4. Cool hike, super crowded now, so definitely get an early start, and it's November, so it's going to be, like I said earlier, really crowded in the summer. But I mean, yeah, the views pretty much speak for itself. Really cool. Give you one last look down here. For a full hike review, go ahead and check the link below. If you're not familiar with my channel, I do hike reviews, gear reviews, and hiking tips in Colorado and beyond, so please give that subscribe button a mash, and we'll see you on the next adventure, and thanks for watching.